Tonight is a celebration of my year as president, and we will be inducting Derek Woolf, our new incoming president and chair, and we also have different awards to give out tonight.
Tonight's a fun event. We get to give out a small business award, a large business award. We're actually adding a new one this year that's a business student of the year award, where we're giving a scholarship for that. And so I'm excited about those awards that are being given out tonight.
I'm very thankful for this recognition, and it's mostly because through the chamber I was able to grow, and the grow allowed me to be more active and give more to the community. It is relevant that you become a present and active member, because just to having a membership won't pay back. You have to be active, be a part of it.
Well, tonight we're getting the Large Business Award, and I'm actually accepting the award on behalf of my parents, Rick and Wendy Rogina. They have really lived and breathed the culture that still lives on today. They're an amazing role models, and I couldn't ask for a better mission to be a part of.
This is one of the finest chambers in California, and so I'm really excited to be a part of this. When they asked me to become president-elect, I had no problem saying yes. What I look forward to most is seeing people and talking to people and shaking their hands. There's a lot of really great folks coming out to the event tonight, and I'm looking forward to most shaking their hand and saying thanks for being here.
During my presidency, my theme was valuing members, and so we put together so many different activities for our members in order to have networking, to have business-to-business referrals, and to really engage and be connected with the business community. From this point forward, the stage has been set, and Derek will just continue on, and with his leadership, we will continue the success that we've started.